Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aspa Chaudhary from Dr. Aspa YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about most important MCQs of biology subject related to anatomy, antibiotics, virus and PCR. Now let's start. Antibiotics. The yield of the antibiotic depends upon age of the inoculum, only the pH of the medium, composition of the medium, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. In Penicillium chrysogenum, the maximum antibiotic production occurs during the second phase, the third phase, first phase, in all three phases. Correct answer is the second phase. Antibiotics are used to treat infections by virus, bacteria, all the microorganisms, none of the above. Correct answer is bacteria. Which of the following fermentation processes is used in the production of penicillin? Aerobic fermentation followed by anaerobic fermentation, anaerobic fermentation, aerobic fermentation, anaerobic fermentation followed by aerobic fermentation. Correct answer is aerobic fermentation. After the fermentation process, penicillin is recovered as penicillin, sodium penicillin, calcium penicillin, potassium penicillin. Correct answer is potassium penicillin. Which of the following species is used for producing streptomycin? S. ramosus, S. griseus, S. aureofaciens, S. griseoflavus. Correct answer is S. griseus. The high yield of chlorotetracycline requires no aeration, controlled aeration, continuous aeration, aeration which does not affect the yield. Correct answer is continuous aeration. What is the mean by antibiotic resistance? It means our body has become resistant to the antibiotic. It means the bacteria have developed antibiotic resistance. Both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is it means the bacteria have developed antibiotic resistance. Which of the following seeds are used for the inoculum preparation for the fermentation medium for penicillin? Rice seeds, corn seeds, wheat seeds, barley seeds. Correct answer is barley seeds. Which of the following species is used for producing tetracycline? S. venezuela, S. griseus, S. aureofaciens, S. griseoflavus. Correct answer is S. aureofaciens. Which of the following antibiotics are most likely responsible for hypotension, itching and other side effects? Azthromycin, vancomycin, daptomycin, linezolid. Correct answer is vancomycin. What type of side effect is most commonly observed in beta-lactam antibiotics? Hearing loss, aplastic anemia, allergic reaction, yellowing of teeth. Correct answer is allergic reaction. Which of the following species is used for producing chloromycetin? S. ramosus, S. venezuelae, S. aureofaciens, S. griseoflavus. Correct answer is S. venezuelae. Which of the following events occurs during the third phase of growth of Penicillium chrysogenum? autolysis of the medium start, slight rise in pH due to liberation of ammonia, the concentration of antibiotic increases in the medium. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following species is used for producing erythromycin? S. erytheris, S. gracius, S. aureofaciens, S. gracioflavus. Correct answer is S. erythraeus. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asbah. Now MCQs related to anatomy. Which of the following muscular valve controls the flow of digestive juice from the hepatopancreatic duct to duodenum? Sphincter of Oddi, semilunar valve, ileocecal valve, pyloric sphincter. Correct answer is sphincter of Oddi. Which of the following is present on the surface of intestinal epithelial cells? Zymogen granules, pinocytic vesicles, phagocytic vesicles, microvilli. Correct answer is microvilli. Lungs are enclosed within perichondrium, periosteum, pleural membrane, pericardium. Correct answer is pleural membrane. The maximum amount of urea is present in dorsal aorta, hepatic vein, renal vein, hepatic portal vein. Correct answer is hepatic vein. Which of the following organs is known as graveyard of RBCs? Spleen, kidney, liver, gallbladder. Correct answer is spleen. Which of the following organs contains bundle of His? Pancreas, brain, kidney, heart. Correct answer is heart. Heartbeat originates from papillary muscles, SA node, AV node, Purkinje fibers. Correct answer is SA node. Which of the following features is common in both humans and adult frogs? Internal fertilization, ureotelic mode of excretion, nucleated RBCs, four-chambered heart. Correct answer is ureotelic mode of excretion. The basic functional unit of human kidney is known as nephron, pyramid, Henle-Loops nephron, nephridia. Correct answer is nephron. Single uriniferous tubule does not contain loop of Henle, collecting duct, distal convoluted tubule, woman's capsule. Correct answer is collecting duct. Which of following joints is immovable? Fibrous joints, synovial joints, cartilaginous joints, ball and socket joint. Correct answer is fibrous joint. The middle portion of the human sperm contains nucleus, proteins, centriole, mitochondria. Correct answer is mitochondria. Which of the following is the correctly matched pair of an organ and muscles present in the organ? Intestine striated and involuntary, upper arm smooth muscle and fusiform in shape, heart involuntary and unstriated smooth muscle, thigh striated and voluntary. Correct answer is thigh striated and voluntary. Cartilage at the end of long bone is calcified cartilage, fibrous cartilage, hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage. Correct answer is hyaline cartilage. A deltoid ridge is present in humerus, femur, radius, ulna. Correct answer is humerus. Intercostal muscles are attached with diaphragm, ribs, thigh, abdomen. Correct answer is ribs. The balancing organ of the ear is organ of Corti, vestibular apparatus, tectorial membrane, cochlea. Correct answer is vestibular apparatus. Which of the following is a part of hindbrain? Hypothalamus, cerebellum, spinal cord, corpus callosum. Correct answer is cerebellum. Which of the following parts of the brain controls body temperature and hunger? Thalamus, pons, cerebellum, hypothalamus. Correct answer is hypothalamus. Which of the following parts act as an endocrine gland after ovulation? Vitelline membrane, stroma, germinal epithelium, Graafian follicle. Correct answer is Graafian follicle. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asba. Next, MCQs related to PCR. The PCR technique was developed by Kohler, Altman, Milstein, Kary-Mullis. Correct answer is Kary-Mullis. The polymerase chain reaction is a DNA sequencing technique. It is a DNA degradation technique. It is a DNA amplification technique. All of the above. Correct answer is it is a DNA amplification technique. Which of the following statements is accurate for the PCR polymerase chain reaction? Automated PCR machine are called thermal cyclers. A thermostable DNA polymerase is required. Millions to billions of desired DNA copies can be produced from microgram quantities of DNA. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Thermus aquatics is the source of Wnt polymerase, primase enzyme, Taq polymerase, both A and C. Correct answer is Taq polymerase. Which of the following is not a thermostable polymerase? PFO polymerase, Taq polymerase, Wnt polymerase, DNA polymerase 3. Correct answer is DNA polymerase 3. Which of the following is the basic requirement of PCR reaction? 2 oligonucleotide primers, DNA segment to be amplified, a heat stable DNA polymerase, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Why are Wnt polymerase and PFO more efficient than the Taq polymerase? Because of proofreading activity, because of more efficient polymerase activity, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is because of proofreading activity. Which of the following is the first and the most important step in the polymerase chain reaction? Annealing, primer extension, denaturation, none of the above. Correct answer is denaturation. What is the process of binding of primer to the denatured strand called? Annealing, renaturation, denaturation, none of the above. Correct answer is annealing. Denaturation is the process of heating between 72 degrees centigrade, heating between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade, heating between 90 to 98 degrees centigrade, none of the above. Correct answer is heating between 90 to 98 degrees centigrade. Which of the following statements are true regarding PCR? Primer extension occurs at 72 degrees centigrade. Denaturation involves heating at 90 to 98 degrees centigrade. Annealing involves the binding of primer between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Polymerase used for PCR is extracted from Homo sapiens, Thermus aquaticus, Escherichia coli, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Correct answer is Thermus aquaticus. At what temperature does denaturation of DNA double helix takes place? 54 degrees centigrade, 74 degrees centigrade, 94 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees centigrade. Correct answer is 94 degrees centigrade. How many DNA duplexes are obtained from one DNA duplex after 4 cycles of PCR? 8, 4, 32, 60. Correct answer is 16. Primers used for the process of polymerase chain reactions are single-stranded RNA oligonucleotide, single-stranded DNA oligonucleotide, double-stranded RNA oligonucleotide, single-stranded DNA oligonucleotide. Correct answer is single-stranded DNA oligonucleotide. At what temperature does annealing of DNA and primer take place? 54 degrees centigrade, 96 degrees centigrade, 42 degrees centigrade, 74 degrees centigrade. Correct answer is 96 degrees centigrade. Reverse transcription PCR uses RNA as a template to form DNA, messenger RNA as a template to form cDNA, DNA as a template to form SS DNA, all of the above. Correct answer is messenger RNA as a template to form cDNA. Which of the following is an application of polymer chain reaction? Site-directed mutagenesis, site-specific recombination, site-specific translocation, all of the above. Correct answer is site-directed mutagenesis. Which of the following is true for asymmetric PCR? Used for generating double-stranded copies for DNA sequence, used for generating single-stranded copies for DNA sequence, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is used for generating single-stranded copies for a DNA sequence. The polymer chain reaction is used for amplifying gene of interest, constructing rapid maps, detecting the presence of the transgene in an organism, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asba. Next, most important MCQs related to virus. A virus is made up of protein coat and nucleic acid, protein coat in mitochondria, nucleic acid and cell membrane, nucleic acid, cell wall and cell membrane. Correct answer is protein coat and nucleic acid. The protein coat of viruses that enclose the genetic material is called virion, capsid, papillomeres, capsomers. Correct answer is capsid. Which of the following statements are true about a virion? Lytic phage, lysogenic phage, the viral capsid, an infectious and fully formed viral particle. Correct answer is an infectious and fully formed viral particle. Which of the following is the genome of the virus? DNA, RNA, DNA or RNA, DNA and RNA. Correct answer is DNA or RNA. Which of the following is the largest virus? Megavirus, Kaliniasis, Arbovirus, Herpes virus, Mumps virus. Correct answer is Megavirus Kaliniasis. Which of the following statements are true about the capsomers? It is an individual unit of the capsid. It is a viral protein for replication. It is a unit of nucleic acid in viruses, all of the above. Correct answer is it is an individual unit of the capsid. Which of the following statements are true about the papillomares? It is an individual unit of capsids. It is a spike-like projection on the enveloped viruses. It is a projection on the viral membrane. It is a spike-like projection on the capsids. Correct answer is it is a spike-like projection on the enveloped viruses. An icosahedral capsid consists of hexagonal capsomeres, pentagonal capsomeres, triangular capsomeres, both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following has a complex symmetry? T for phage, adenovirus, influenza virus, all of the above. Correct answer is T for phage. The viral envelope is made up of proteins, glycoproteins, lipids and proteins, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following is a helical virus? TMV, T for phage, pox virus, herpes virus. Correct answer is TMV. Which of the following statements are true about the viruses? Free living, obligate parasite, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is obligate parasites. A fully formed infectious viral particle is called virion, viriod, capsid, variocide. Correct answer is virion. The genetic constituents of viruses is RNA, DNA, ssDNA, DNA or RNA. Correct answer is DNA or RNA. The viral genome is enveloped in a protein coat known as capsid, outer envelope, capsomere, nucleic. Correct answer is capsid. Which of the following statements are true about the tobacco mosaic virus? RNA virus, DNA virus, bacteriophage, ssDNA or dsDNA. Correct answer is RNA virus. The shape of the TMV is rod shaped, oval shaped, cuboidal shaped, spherical shaped. Correct answer is rod shaped. Viruses that attack bacteria are called virophage, lysophage, bacteriophage, none of the above. Correct answer is bacteriophage. The T2 phage is called ssDNA phage, ssRNA phage, dsDNA phage, dsRNA phage. Correct answer is dsDNA phage. Bacteriophages that induce bacterial cell lysis are called virioids, lysogenic phages, virulent phages, temperate phages. Correct answer is virulent phages. Which of the following virus has the smallest genome? Rabies virus, circovirus, herpes virus, mimivirus. Correct answer is circovirus. Infectious RNA particles without the protein coat are called virion, virion, viroid, variocide. Correct answer is viroid. The spike-like projections on the viral capsid are known as viriod, proteomes, papillomares, capsomeres. Correct answer is papillomares. Viral genome inserted to the bacterial DNA is termed as lysogeny, prophage, lytic cycle, virulent phage. Correct answer is prophage. Which of the following are the main functions of the capsid? Determine the antigenic specificity of the virus, protects genetic material from nucleus attack, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asba. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.